Alrighty, welcome to part 2 of trying to fix this poor Amfleet. Should have pretty much all the parts that we need. There will be some stuff, like for example, I'm not going to have metal, well, one's going to be metal coupler. I'm really low on parts right now, is the gist of it. But first thing we are going to do is take these good trucks off of this phase 2, swap some stuff out. So let's get into that. I do have a plan for these. I'm hoping it works out. Gotta take this off. Gotta take this whole truck assembly off. This is a phase 2 Amfleet. Phase 2 is the least. It's the Amfleets I use the least, essentially, is what I'm trying to say. Okay. So we have these. I have one of these. Hands are a bit dirty right now. I apologize for that. Just trying to straighten that one out as best as I can. Let's go in here and grab. Ooh. These are, I believe, 36-inch KD wheels. Over there. Okay. Here is another one of these. Okay. Theoretically, should allow me straighten this out, curve that end in. I'm just bending those right about there, just so that they hold on to the axle. Again, I apologize for the state of my hands right now. I am kind of... doesn't turn super smooth, but it'll loosen up. I am trying to do this quickly, because I am reorganizing some train boxes. And I am just now realizing that this project was not finished, so trying to do this real quick. Okay. I am gonna nip these ends off real quick. You're just very gently taking this drill bit, very gently widening the holes here. Now we're just going to take our test fit here. Eventually, all of these are going to get replaced with a different type of truck that someone else is working on. But those files are not out yet, so we're not going to talk about those just yet. Okay, gonna try and get this one sorted out. Maybe also try widening that out a little bit. I don't know yet. Okay. Now should be able to do the other one. Unfortunately, while trying to sand some of these down, I have broken a few of them actually along that section there where the cup is. So that is a little unfortunate. Just gonna nip the ends off of this. Okay. Get our new wheel sets in. Put on our metal plate. If you don't have that metal plate, you can also use you can cut a piece of styrene to fit that as well. And even though this is not on the Amfleet that we're like actually working on, I'm showing it anyway because this was the original plan for it. Okay. Bend that tab up because we don't want it to actually make contact. Okay. And I'm gonna do a little bit of a risky thing here, and I'm going to try to lube these. Not a lot. I'm accidentally going a little heavy, but also go right there on that one. Just so that they roll a little better. Okay. Hopefully that did not hopefully the whatchamacallit didn't weaken anything. Although these are definitely going to get replaced with some 3D printed trucks later on, because they do seem to be a little warped. Just a little bit. However, both couplers are at height, so it will work for now. Okay, let's get to our actual Amfleet 2 here. It's a lot of missing windows. Luckily, we do have a donor here that has all the windows. Hopefully it's enough. Actually, let's go ahead and count. We have 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We need 14 windows. This window is an issue. that one might just get left empty for now. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We might have just enough windows, actually. I might try to use the backs of one of these. Maybe, potentially. We'll see. Looks like these little windows are there. So, what we are going to do next, we have our good trucks on the side here. This one is going to get swapped with an Atlas coupler because that's what I have. And then this one is going to get a KD coupler and then maybe glued in. I don't want to glue it in, but we'll see. Okay. We have our chassis here. Actually, we have a good pocket on this chassis. So what I am actually going to do is deliberately break that and then re-glue them. What I'm also going to do here is try and pop these windows out. Oh no. Uh-oh. Maybe we won't have windows. Oh no. Well. I might have to make yet another part. Because, I don't think I can get those windows out. Yeah, those are not popping out like I was hoping they would. Okay. That is interesting. Alright, well. There was the trucks. In the next video, we will be hopefully getting the car finished out. We'll see if that happens. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Have a good one, guys. Kind of hit a roadblock here.